No.
Can we, hold on.
Do you not put me in the car? Please, can we just talk? Can we just talk, please?
Please, can we just talk before you put me in the car?
That was Adam Beckerink being taken into custody for a domestic violence incident involving his wife a couple of months before she was found dead in the stairwell of his luxury condo building. Now we're seeing Caitlin Tracey on body-worn camera footage for the first time.
Normally, I wouldn't give you the keys, but I know you guys are married, so
I go over the latest in the case and her husband's punishment for that domestic violence incident. Welcome to Crime Fix. I'm Angenette Levy. It's been nearly a year since Caitlin Tracey was found dead at the bottom of a stairwell in the luxury condo building of her husband, Adam Beckerink, in Chicago. And still, her death remains under investigation. Caitlin was just 36 years old. Her body plunged approximately 24 floors in that stairwell, and her foot was severed. There was blood on the walls. An affidavit from Caitlin Tracey's parents states decedent's remains were discovered directly below the respondent's condominium. Law enforcement has advised the family that based on the condition of the remains, decedent's body fell approximately 24 floors before landing at the bottom of a stairwell. Based on the height of the fall, decedent's body was pulverized and her foot was severed from her body. Law enforcement has advised the family that the respondent is the primary suspect, and he was immediately taken into custody by the Chicago Police Department Violent Crimes Unit. Law enforcement has advised family that the respondent was detained for 48 hours and then was released without being charged. The coroner's office performed an autopsy, but has labeled Caitlin's manner of death as undetermined. Adam Beckerink is considered a suspect in the investigation, but he has not been charged in Caitlin's death. Her death has not yet been labeled a homicide. He is a tax attorney in the Chicago area. He is now in jail in Berrien County, Michigan, after being sentenced to 93 days in jail for a domestic violence incident from 2024, where he interfered with Caitlin calling 911. Here's that 911 call.
Berrien County 911, what is the address of the emergency?
Need to get the police report? Anytime.
So Caitlin tried to call 911 from her home in New Buffalo, Michigan, and the call disconnected, and the 911 operator tried to call the number back, and no one answered. New Buffalo is about 71 miles from Chicago, or an hour and 15-minute drive without heavy traffic. Police drove to Caitlin Tracey's home back in August of 2024, and when they got there, they found Adam Beckerink and took him into custody, and he was not happy about it.
No.
Can we, hold on.
Do you not put me in the car? Please, can we just talk? Can we just talk, please?
Please, can we just talk before you put me in the car? Can we just talk right here? Just talk right here. How do you... Wait, hold on.
Keep walking.
Hold on, seriously, hold on. What the f*** are you
Don't keep walking.
so angry? Wait. What the f*** are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about? Wait, before you... Wait, before you put... Wait!
Car.
Seriously!
What's
Shit!
I'll break it.
Listen to me!
Sit
Will you
up.
please...
Get the stuff out of his pocket.
You can't search me! You cannot search me! That's illegal! That's a fucking illegal search! That's an illegal search! You know it is! That's an illegal search! Get off me! Get off me! That's an illegal search! Get off me! You know that's illegal! Let go of my hands!
Adam, you're under arrest.
For what? Let go! Let go! Don't do it! Let go of your pocket! Let me talk to you! Let go of your pocket! Please let me talk to you! Let go of your pocket!
Now here's the view of Beckerink being loaded into the cruiser from an in-cruiser camera.
Wait! Wait! Wait, before you wait! Seriously! God. I can't! Listen to me! Will you please? You can't search me! You cannot search me! That's illegal! That's a fucking illegal search! That's an illegal search! You know what it is? That's an illegal search! Get off me! Get off me! That's an illegal search! Get off me! You know that's illegal! Let go of my hands! Adam, you're under arrest. For what? You are let go! Let go of your pocket! Don't do it! Let go of your pocket! Let me talk to you! Let go of your pocket! Please let me talk to you! Let go of your pocket! Please! Please! Let go of your pocket! Please let me talk to you! Let go of your pocket! Don't do it! Let go! Please! Alright, I'm giving my phone to you! No! That's fine! We're going on! This trigger's gonna hurt! Please! Just please listen to me! Please listen to me! Please listen to me! Please listen to me! We're going on a honeymoon! Guys, please! It's my phone! Like, I'll get it for you! What the is happening here? It's my fucking phone in my wallet! Yeah, I'm getting it. I need to go to my honeymoon! Can you just go talk to her, please? This is stupid! God! I'll rip your That's all that's my Please! What are you doing? You got everything, alright? Jesus Christ! Can I talk to you, please, before you shut this? Please, can I just talk to you? Can I just car? Can I talk to you? Can I talk to someone here? Alright. Can I talk to someone? Go ask her. They said they have 2 felony warrants. Okay. I don't. I'm an attorney. Okay. So you go. Well, we'll be able to confirm that. We'll figure it out. Yes, but this time hurts. All right. Well, you need to cooperate, and there'll be a lot of things like adjust your cuffs. Hey, can you please just talk to me? No one's gonna talk to me. No one's gonna fucking talk to me. My pants can go. Too bad, didn't you?
There's a reason why Morgan & Morgan is America's largest injury law firm. They're a firm with more than 1,000 lawyers because they win a lot. They've recovered more than $25 billion from more than 500,000 clients. In the last few months, a client in Florida got $12 million after the insurance company offered just $350,000. In Pennsylvania, a client was awarded $26 million. That was 40 times the insurer's $650,000 offer. Another client in Pennsylvania received $29 million after being offered only $500,000. Can you believe that? So even if you think your case is not worth millions and millions of dollars, why not start a claim and fight for what you deserve? Morgan & Morgan makes it really, really easy. You can start a claim from your phone in just 8 clicks. So if you're ever hurt, you can easily start a claim at forthepeople.com/crimefix or by clicking the link below or scanning that QR code that you see right there on your screen. Beckerink sat in that car for a while as police investigated the reason why Caitlin Tracey tried to call 911.
Can I get out of here? God, come on. Took this too far again. Two felony words, my ass. All right, this is ridiculous now. Come on. Hey, excuse me. Hello? Hello? Can you just open the door? It's hot. No? I ain't. Get these things off me. Please. Please get these things off me. You have no reason to take me to jail. Jesus Christ. Hey, can I get a second? You know, that's... You know, the longer it takes for them to say something to her, the more it is not legal. Right? Can you guys just get these... Hey. Just let me go home then. Jesus Christ. That's fine. Computer's turned off. You people.
Save that for us, please.
Now, as Beckerink is being detained, he demands to be let go.
I want all your badges numbers. Can you please let me out of here? Hey. Fuck. It's illegal, by the way. That's illegal, too. That's illegal, too, by the way. Just so you know. Can you open the door?
You doing alright?
No, I'm not. It's hot as in here. I don't have 2 felony warrants against me, and I didn't touch her. Okay. This is all... Can you take these things off me, please? I'm not a criminal.
You're being detained right now. The handcuffs aren't coming off.
And she's not saying anything. I already heard it on the radio. She's not saying. So you already lost your witness.
I don't
and
know.
you entered my house without authority.
I didn't do any of that.
Well, someone did.
You can deal with it at some point.
Yeah, so I'll get all the badges, numbers, and everything. Yeah.
Beckerink then questions another officer.
What are they coercing her up there? What are they doing? I mean, how many questions do you have to have? Did it hurt you? I already heard on the radio she's not saying anything. So, how many times are they going to ask her? 18 until she actually says something, or what are they giving her something?
So.
Spiel.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's not a spiel. You know what?
That's exactly what it is.
No,
A spiel.
It's not a spiel, but we got to make sure she's okay.
She said she was. I heard it on the radio.
An officer tells Adam Beckerink that he has warrants for larceny and domestic violence. Another officer recounts being at the home previously earlier in the year.
It's a felony, but keeping a phone, is that the same as interrupting and actually keeping it from her? Is that the same?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. Well, this is going to be a double PR1. I'm going to head up there. Could you, whenever you get back or get a chance, could you just confirm the warrants and have them send them to the jail?
Just so you know, I turned your car radio all the way down because he was wigging out every time.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to need a welcome party for him. So, well, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah.
Any of you guys get hurt?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
My wrist is killing me, so I'm just going to hit him with assaulting a police officer, so... that's why I was asking.
Windows rolled down.
He kicked me in the chest, and my left wrist is killing me, so... Alright.
Those were in his pocket.
Perfect.
Were those original?
Yeah. We were here for a similar situation years, not years, almost...
It was like in December, January.
It was in winter. We were, what were we dispatched to? It was not even a domestic. I showed up and she was bleeding all over her face, and he had hit her good. and then he stole like 20 grand. She's got a lot of money. Stole 20, 30 grand worth of her stuff. Took off in this Range Rover right here. Drove through somebody's yard. We couldn't find a vehicle. The courts issued the warrants. We kept them because we knew we were going to have more problems here. I showed up to the front door, which was cracked, and I heard her yell. I heard screaming, very faint screaming, and then I announced police, and I heard her yelling. So I made my way in and had him at taser point. He wasn't listening, but yeah, we're definitely going to need a welcome party for that guy.
We see Caitlin Tracey just briefly in this body-worn camera footage as an officer walks toward her at the house to give her something.
All right. Thank you. Normally, I wouldn't give you the keys, but I know you guys are married, so I know his property is your property. And
Thank you.
Okay? All right.
Yeah, about 35 minutes, just leaving.
Before Adam Beckerink is taken to jail, he asks to see Caitlin.
Please just go and hold my wife to the best, please.
No, Adam, you are under arrest, okay?
For what?
Like I told you, you have a felony warrant already from a previous incident here, okay?
There's not.
There is.
How would I not know about it?
I don't know why.
Can I just hold her before I go to...
No.
Why? Does she not want to come out?
You're under arrest. You're in the backseat of our car.
Can I just give her a hug?
No.
Please.
No.
This is stupid. There's no warrant.
I agree.
This is stupid. I didn't do anything. She has said that I didn't do anything.
No.
I know what she told you. I heard it on the radio.
Okay.
Can I please just go home?
No, you are under arrest.
Hold my wife, please. We're going to our honeymoon.
You have a felony warrant. You obstructed us.
I don't have a fun. I didn't obstruct. You guys, look at my body. Please,
that's because you were fighting with us.
Please, can I just go home? Just let me go home.
No, you are
I'll
under
turn
arrest.
myself in tomorrow.
You are under arrest.
Please, can I just...
You are going to jail. Get that through your head. You're an attorney. You should understand that. You are under arrest.
Can I lay with my wife?
You are under arrest.
Can I just lay with my wife and go back?
You are under arrest.
I'm not the bad guy.
You are under arrest.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. She told you I didn't do anything. She told you that.
Okay.
Please, can I just go home?
No.
I'll turn myself in if there are warrants, I'll turn myself in.
There are warrants, and they're felony warrants, and you also have 3 additional felony charges from tonight. Thank you very much.
3 from tonight? For what? For what? What the hell am I going to do now? What do I do?
You're going to jail. You see the judge tomorrow.
On the way to the jail, Beckerink tries to convince this officer that he should be letting him go.
All right. Sounds good. Yeah. You got 3 more, probably 4 more felonies.
4 more than right? You guys attacked me.
All right.
You guys were in my house.
You said you're a lawyer, man. You don't really know. You don't really. Really? What's exigent? Read exigent circumstances to me, lawyer.
What's that?
Read what does exigent circumstances mean?
Exigent.
You don't remember taking her phone from her when she was calling 911? Is that a charge where you're from?
I took her phone from her?
Oh, you did? Yeah, it's actually on. It's on audio. That's fine. I'm not going to argue with you, so you're being recorded. You got any drugs on you?
No.
Really? So if they find any at the jail, I'll hit you with a felony for smuggling, so you might want to tell me. Nothing in your sock? No cocaine on you?
Why?
I don't know. She told me a long time ago that you might have some.
A long time ago? When?
Last time we were here dealing with you and you drove through.
Beckerink's arrest was on August 19th, 2024. Caitlin Tracey died on October 27th. As Caitlin's husband, Adam Beckerink was her next of kin, and he wanted her remains released to him, and he wanted her cremated. But her parents fought for her remains to be released to them. They went to court and they won. They cited Adam Beckerink's abuse of Caitlin, documented in prior court filings, and a request for a restraining order in 2023 in Cook County. The document states, the respondent physically abused me by dragging me by my ankle, strangling me, suffocating me, slamming my head against a cabinet, slapping me, punching me, putting my head on a headlock, and dragging me away from the front door to prevent me from leaving. The respondent took my keys, wallet, iPad, and phone from me to prevent me from seeking help. I was able to flee on foot. I went to the police station and filed a police report for aggravated domestic battery. Now, it's not clear what happened to that charge, but Caitlin later withdrew that request for a restraining order. The request for a restraining order also includes other details about an alleged incident in July of 2023 in Michigan. Caitlin Tracey wrote, the respondent physically abused me by throwing a pickle jar, which struck on my head, punched me, pushing me, pulling my hair, dragging me by my clothes, and stripping me out of my clothes. The respondent also poured vodka on my body, which burned my wounds, and would motion as if he was going to hit me with the alcohol bottle. Apparently, Caitlin Tracey said that her husband was accusing her of cheating in this incident. The next day, Tracey wrote, the respondent took me to the hospital to seek medical attention for my open head wound. The charges that Beckerink pleaded no contest to in Berrien County, Michigan, and for which he was sentenced to 93 days in jail, stem from an incident in 2024 when Caitlin Tracey told police that Beckerink had assaulted her. Beckerink told a judge that he hasn't been able to grieve Caitlin's death because of the ongoing legal proceedings and investigation into her passing. He told the judge that they had a great life. Caitlin's mother, though, Dr. Monica Tracey, read a statement in court and called Adam Beckerink a monster. The statement said, in part, not long after the defendant pushed his way into Caitlin's life, we witnessed the constant fear in our daughter. For over a year, we tried everything we could do to save her from him. We had her move in with us as she was attempting to flee his stalking and was too afraid to live in her own home. We supported her when she went through the frightening process of filing a PPO against this abuser and held her when she found out he was threatening a defamation lawsuit against her for that filing. We are witnesses to the physical and psychological bruises and scars our daughter endured from this defendant. But in the end, the coercive control he had over her was too great for her. She was lost. We feared for our safety, the safety of our other daughter, and our son-in-law and our young grandson. We continue to be re-victimized as we learn more about how Caitlin lived in this inconceivable hell with this monster. It is not just the trauma Caitlin endured, but the ongoing nature of the trauma he is inflicting on our family. The neurobiological and emotional impact of this trauma will reverberate within our family system for generations. It isn't just her death that haunts us. It is the slow-moving destruction of her life. This is now our family's ongoing trauma, which we are trying to manage. Again, Caitlin's death remains under investigation by Chicago police. So we will let you know if anything comes of that, if charges are ever filed. And that's it for this episode of Crime Fix. I'm Angenette Levy. Thanks so much for being with me. I'll see you back here next time.